UTS is all about partnerships with industry, and given our background and our strength in creativity and innovation, partnering with South by Southwest Sydney, total no-brainer. Obviously, UTS has a really proud tradition and history in the creative industries, and creativity and innovation and technology are really part of our DNA in a way that I think is kind of unique to UTS. And also, we're lucky to be situated right here in what has been the heart of some of Australia's creative industries in Sydney. And we're excited that this partnership with South by Southwest Sydney is going to bring new vibrancy and life to this innovation precinct. And we're also really excited that it gives our students and our staff and our friends a great opportunity to engage with the creative industries from Australia and abroad.
What makes UTS a good partner for South by Southwest Sydney is its ability to be flexible in how it works in a partnership. South by Southwest Sydney is quite a unique event. There are many ways to partner, but how we say is, what does success look like for you? And our partnership with UTS has been a success for 2 years now. The events industry is the ultimate perishable product. The clock starts ticking from the very beginning of the first day after the previous year's event. We worked all throughout the year collaboratively with UTS. While the interns were interning with South by Southwest Sydney, they were involved in all facets across the events industry, from partnerships, event operations, even stakeholder management. It takes more than a village to put on an event like South by Southwest Sydney. Having the interns right from the beginning throughout the year was essential in our partnership.
South by Southwest Sydney has been a fantastic partner when it comes to these kinds of internship opportunities for students. It's great for the students themselves because it gives them those kinds of learning opportunities they wouldn't get otherwise in the production of a real-world event. So it is a really beneficial partnership in the sense that it's both ways and both organisations benefit, as well as the students.
UTS got actively involved in hosting sessions. So we opened up our great hall for the Gaming Hub, and we also hosted some of the plenary sessions for South by Southwest in our Frank Gehry Design Business School. We also opened up our UTS house there, which allowed members of the public to come and watch panel sessions by UTS experts on a range of topics aligned with the South by Southwest program.
The future of this partnership should be long-term. Let's hope that one day some of those students now are going to be keynotes and on the main stages of South by Southwest, or launching their new product, their new startup. On behalf of everyone at South by Southwest Sydney, we'd like to thank UTS for this incredible partnership that has been going for 2 years now, and we hope for a lot longer.